How to fix the finals and internal anti-cheat integrity check failed. Hi guys, today I'm going to guide you that how to fix the finals and internal anti-cheat integrity check failed. So let's dive in. On your PC, press Windows and R together and it's going to bring you to this run prompt over here. Now in these files, search for discovery and delete it by right-clicking it. And now choose this embark folder and right-click on it and delete it. Now you have to go to your Steam and then choose the files and right-click. And in the manage section, choose browse local files in the sub-menu. Now you have to delete these 3 files over here. And then you have to delete easy anti-cheat. It's not going to affect your gaming and we'll just restore these later. Once you delete this, go to Steam again and choose the finals, right click on it and go to properties. Now choose installed files and here choose verify integrity of game files. And that's the process that's going to fix your problem. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video. And if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.